If you hit those super bright HDR photos and videos on your iPhone, you can actually turn HDR off. And there are two different things you can control: HDR when you record videos and HDR when you watch content on apps like Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Let me show you how to turn it off. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on camera. Now tap on record video. Scroll down and you will find HDR video. If this option is turned on, your iPhone will record videos in HDR, which can make the colors and highlights look much brighter. If you don't like that look, simply turn HDR video off. Keep in mind that this only affects the video you record with your iPhone's camera. It doesn't change how HDR videos looks when you're watching them. So let's turn off HDR when you're watching content on Instagram. Open Instagram, tap your profile in the bottom right, and then tap the two lines in the top right. Now scroll down and tap on media quality. Here, look for visible display of HDR media. Turn this option on. Now Instagram will stop displaying HDR media on your screen, so those super bright videos and photos should look more normal. And if you see other apps like Facebook or YouTube, you may need to change the HDR settings separately. And that's it. Now you have more control over how HDR looks on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.